Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the original motor in your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at your disposal: a screwdriver set, a spudger, and a clean workspace. Step 1. Unplug the vacuum cleaner. Before starting any repair, safety is paramount. Make sure the vacuum is unplugged from the wall socket to avoid any accidents. Step 2. Remove the dust canister. To access the motor, first, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button. Set it aside in a clean area to prevent any debris from falling into the vacuum. Step 3. Unscrew the motor housing. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor housing. There are typically 4 screws located around the motor compartment. Keep these screws in a small container so they don't get lost. If you encounter difficulty, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess any additional issues. Step 4. Detach the motor. Carefully use a spudger to pry off the motor housing. Be gentle to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Once the housing is removed, you'll see the motor attached by a few connectors. Disconnect these gently, noting their positions for reassembly. Step 5. Clean the interior. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean out the interior of the vacuum. Dust and debris can accumulate, affecting performance. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe down surfaces, ensuring everything is clear for the new motor installation. Step 6. Install the new motor. Now it's time to install the new motor. Align it with the connectors and gently push it into place. Make sure you connect the wires exactly as they were before removal. If you're unsure about the installation, don't hesitate to reach out for our quote before repair service. We can provide guidance or assistance. Step 7. Reassemble the vacuum cleaner. Once the motor is secured, replace the motor housing and screw it back into place. Ensure all screws are tightly fastened to avoid any rattling sounds during operation. Step 8. Reattach the dust canister. Finally, snap the dust canister back into position. Make sure it's secure and ready for use. Step 9. Test your vacuum. Plug in your Dyson V10 and power it on. Test it on a small area to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. With our service, you won't have to make any calls or travel, making it convenient for you. This process not only saves you money but also extends the life of your vacuum cleaner. With the right tools and guidance, you can tackle this repair with confidence. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.